Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss quantitative aptitude section from prelims mock test 3 of your IBPS clerical super 20 series. So in this we have 35 questions. So question number 36 to 70 are quantitative aptitude here. So let me take first 36 to 40 are based on what number series, missing number. So 200, 193, the difference is 7, 193 and 179, difference is 14, 179, 158, difference is 21, 7 1 ja, 7 2 ja, 7 3 ja. So it has to be 7 4 ja, 28, 158 minus 28, which is 130. So answer is option D. Next, 343, 81, 115 and 143. If you observe here, 343, difference is for how much? 40. 43, 81, difference is 38. 81, 115, difference is 34. 115 and 143, the difference is 28. So here difference should be how much? Here difference is 2. Difference of difference is 2. Here difference of difference is 4. Here difference of difference is 6. So here difference of difference must be 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. So it has to be 20 difference. 143 minus 20 is 123. So answer is 143 plus na 143 plus 20. It is not minus, it is increasing series. It is an increasing series. So 143 plus 20. 143 plus 20, which is 163. 163. Okay. Next, 1, 6, 25, 76, 153. So definitely it is a increasing series. So 176 into 2, 152 plus 1. 25 into 3, 75 plus 1. 6 into 4, 24 plus 1. 1 into 5 plus 1. So into 5, into 4, into 3, into 2. Next into 1 plus 1. 153 into 1, 153 plus 1, 154. 154 is the answer. Next 50, 54. 50, 54, 45, 61, 36. So increasing, decreasing. So alternate series. So 50, 45 minus 5. 50, 45 minus 5. Here minus 9. Here 54, 61, 7. So I can directly do with the thing. See here. Here plus 4. Here minus 9. Here plus 16. Here minus 25. So 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. Next 6 square plus 36 plus 36, 72 is the answer. Now 945, 9 5 times, 45 4 times, 183 times, 542 times, 1080, 1 times, 1080. So 542s are 1080, that is the answer. Next. If the sum, now the questions on arithmetic. If the sum of upstream and downstream speed is given as 36 km and the speed of the current is 3 km per hour. So find the time taken to cover 52.5 km downward. So here if you see up the speed of the boat in still water, okay, is not known. Downstream speed is x plus y, and y is given as 3. Okay, y is given as 3. So x plus 3 plus x minus 3. Downstream speed and upstream speed, x plus y and x minus y, is given as 36. So from this I will get x as 18. 2x is 36, x is 18. If x is 18, then to cover 52.5 kilometers, the time taken would be how much? Time is equal to distance by downstream speed. Downstream speed is x plus y. So it is how much? 21 2 ja 42 plus 10.5. So it is how much? 2.5 hour. 2.5 hour. So answer is 2.5 hour. Next, a sum becomes 1.6 times of itself in 5 years at simple interest. Find the rate of interest. So 100 is the principal. 1.6 times means 160 in 5 years. So 1 year interest is how much? 5 years 160. 5 years interest is 60. So 1 year interest is 12. So on 100 per year 12. So 12% is the rate of interest. Next. Now questions 43 to 52 are based on simplifications. So 92 plus 34 is 120. 92 plus 34. Am I correct? It is not 9 to 2, it is 9 square. It is 9 square. Okay? 9 square is 81. 81 plus 34 is 115. 115 by 5 is 23. X square plus 23. X square plus 23 is equal to 39. Thereby x is 4. X is 4. Next. 6 into 16 into 5 divided by 3 minus it is not x into 2. It is x square. X square. So if you see here 16 into 3 2 just 6. So it is 160. 160 minus 96 is 64. So 160 minus 96 is x square. So x square is 64 and x is 8. Next, 124 plus 169 is 293. 293 plus x is equal to 18 square, 324. So x will be how much? 31. Next, 28 square minus x cube is equal to 7 cube plus 225. So what is the value of x here? So I am just taking the digital sum. Here digital sum is 1. Okay. Here digital sum is 1. 28 means 2 plus 8. 10 means 1. 1 square is 1. And 7 cube 343. Here also 7 cube is how much? 343. 3 plus 4 7 plus 3 1. So this one cancel digital sum. Now the digital sum from x has to be, so here I am thinking you will get multiple options or no. So 9 should be the digital sum. 9 digital sums means 5 will not satisfy, 7 will not satisfy, 4 will not satisfy, 8 cube also won't satisfy. So answer is 6. Answer is 6. Option A is correct. Option A is satisfying the digital sum. If you want to do a regular procedure, 28 square is 784 minus x cube is equal to 343 plus 225, which is 568. So x cube would be 784 minus 568, which is 216. From this you can say x is 6 without doing all those things also. Just with the help of digital sum I can find. So now please see here. Here also I am trying to apply digital sum. So here digital sum is 1. Here 1 plus 3, 4 square means 16. 16 means 7. 16 means 7. So here 1, here minus 7, here 2 cube is 8. So 1 minus 1 here minus 7 minus 8 is minus 15. Minus 15 means again minus 6. 1 minus 6. 1 minus 6 is minus 5. Minus 5 means 9 minus 5, 4. 11 means 2. 2 into how much has to be 4? 2. Which one has little sum? 2 here. Only 11. Only 11. So answer is 11. Answer is 11. If you cannot do in that way, then 298 minus 13 square is 169 minus 2 cube is 8 divided by 11 would be x. So 1 minus 169 minus 8 minus 177. So 121 by 11 is x, which is 11. Which is 11. Okay. Next. Cube root of 729 is 9 plus 3 by 5 divided by x, which is 18 by 5x. 16 into 9 under root, 4 into 3, 12. So from this I will get 18 by 5x is equal to 12 minus 9, 3. So I need x only. So x is equal to 18 by 15. 18 by 15, which is 1.2. So answer is 1.2. Now x percent of 3, see 243 divided by 3 is 81. 81 plus 7 is 88. 88 is equal to, this is how much? Root over 256 is 16 plus how much? 16 plus 72. 72 means this has to be 72 means it has to be 24%. 24%. So answer is option B. Option B. Next. X into 3. Am I correct? X into 3 divided by 8 is equal to how much? Cube root of 512. Cube root of 512. So it is nothing but 3x by 8. 3x by 8 is equal to cube root of 512 is 8. Square root of 12 square is 12. So from this what I am going to get? 3 4s are 12. So x is equal to 8 is 64, 4s are 256. So answer is 256. Next one. Now 136 divided by 2 square. 136 divided by 4 into x. 17% of 500 is 85. 85 divided by 10 is 8.5. So now if you see 4 how many times? 4. So x is equal to how much? 8.5 into 4, 34 divided by 136, which is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means how much? 0.25. So answer is 0.25. 0.25 is the answer. Next one. 52. 1836 divided by x divided by 9 means like this is equal to 12. So how many times you are going to get? So if you see here 9 204 times, 12 17 times. So x is equal to 17. X is equal to 17 is the answer. Now ratio of the present ages of two persons A and B is 3:2. And after 4 years, the ratio of their ages B is to A is 7:10. So after 4 years means the same ratio would be 10:7. 10:7. So 3:2. Now after 4 years it is 10:7. What is the difference here? 3. What is the difference here? 1. Multiply this with 3, this with 1. So you will get this as 9:6, this as 10:1, 10:7. So this is increased by 1, this is increased by 1. This one part increase, because of 4 years. So one part is 4 years. One part is 4 years. Then find the present age of B. Present age of B is 6 parts. Present age of B is 6 parts, which is 24 years. So 24 years is the answer. Now next one. The difference between the circumference of a circle 2 pi r and the diameter 2r is 90. If the radius of circle is 7 centimeter less than the radius of circle P is 7 centimeter less than circle A, then find the area of circle B. So if I take 2 are common, I will get 22/7 minus 1. 22/7 minus 1, which is 90. So 245s are 22 minus 7 is 15. 15 3s are 45. So I will get R as 27, R as 21, R as 21. So for B, this is for A, and for B how much? The radius R2, 7 centimeter less means 14. So the area would be pi R square. Pi R square means 14 into 14. So 7 2s are 14, 22 into 28, which is 616. So answer is 616. Next, there are 40 children in a class in which, see the previous question you can directly do without doing all these things, because we have to find the area of circle. Pi r square, it must be multiple of 11. The multiple of 11 you have only one option, which is B. So you can say directly it is 616. You need not do all these things. Just by looking at the options, you can eliminate all the other options. There are 40 children in a class in which boys are 4 more than girls. Okay, average weight of all the students is 42.5 kg, and the average weight of all the girls is 48 kg. Find the average weight of all the boys. And here, please see, the girls are there, boys are there. The sum is 40. Sum is 40, difference is 4. Take that 4 aside. And it is given that boys are 4 more than girls. Boys are 4 more than girls means, so boys have to be 22, girls have to be 18. Okay, number. And the average weight of all the students, so here 42.5 is the mean. The average weight of all the girls is 48. So boys would be how much? Boys would be how much? Thereby the ratio 18 is to 22. 18 is to 22 means how much? It is 18 is to 22. 18 is to 22. It's already known. So now what you can say, 18 by 22 is equal to 42.5 minus x divided by 48 minus 42.5, which is nothing but 42.5 minus x by 48. This is 5.5. If 5.5 is 22, this has to be how much? 22 is 5.5. So this divided by this is divided by 4. Similarly, this divided by this is divided by 4 would be how much? 4.5. So this has to be 4.5. So x has to be how much? 38. X has to be 38. So answer is 38. Answer is, this is by using alligation. Now without using alligation, the regular procedure. So you have got the combined mean 42.5. Okay, there are 18 girls whose average weight is known as 48 and 22 boys whose average weight we need to find out. divided by 18 plus 22, 40. So 42.5 into 40, which is how much? 1700. 1700 is equal to 48 into 20, 960. 960 minus 96. 960 minus 100 is 860. 864. 864 plus 22x. Thereby x would be 700 minus 1700 minus 864, which is the 836 divided by 22. 22 3s are 66, 8s are. So you will get the average what weight of boys is, which is x as 38 by using the weighted average, combined average formula. Next, questions based on quadratic you have now. So 8 into 1, 8. So 4 and 2. So you will get x as minus 1 by 4, comma minus 1 by 2. 3 2s are 6, 6 and 1. So you got y as minus 2, comma minus 1 by 3. So minus 1 by 4 is less than minus 2. But minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 4 is greater than minus 2. Okay, minus 1 by 2 is greater than minus 2. But here, if you see minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 3. So minus 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 2. So here the relationship, there is no relation, because in one case greater, in the other case it is lesser. So there is no relation. No relation can be established. So option A is correct. Now here x is plus or minus 14. Plus or minus 14. And here y is 13. Y minus 13 whole square this is. So y is 13. So definitely here in this case also, when plus 14 more, minus 14 less. So relationship can't be established. So option A. Next. 9 into 4, 36. 36 means, how do you get 36? Sum as 12. It is nothing but 6 and 6. So you will get x as 2 by 3, comma 2 by 3. And 8 into 1. So minus 8 minus 1. So you can say y is equal to 1, comma 1 by 8. So 2 by 3. If you see here, 2 by 3 is less than 1. But 2 by 3 is greater than 1 by 8. So here also the relationship can't be established. Okay. Next, here x is 7 comma 8. Here y is 8. So x is less than y or x is equal to y. So x less than or equal to, so option E is correct. Next, 3 8 is 24. 24 you have to get, and sum must be 10. So it is simply 3, how much you can get? 3x square plus 10x plus 8. 6 and 4. 6 and 4. So it is minus minus you are going to get. So x is equal to how much? Minus 6 by 3, which is minus 2, minus 4 by 3. And y is equal to how much? 2 into 1. So 2 minus 2 minus 1, minus 2 by 2, minus 1 minus 1 by 2. So what you can say here? You can say 60. Am I correct here? Am I correct or not? Minus 2 comma minus 4 by 3. So definitely x is less than y. X is less than y. Minus 2 less than minus 1. Minus 4 by 3 less than minus 1. And these two are also less than minus of. So y is greater than x. So x is less than y. X is less than y. Where it is? X is less than y. Some option is missing. So x is less than y. There should be one more option. That is correct. Always here x is less than y. Next. A man invested 15% of his monthly income in LIC and the remaining gave to his mother. Mother spent 15% of it in household expenses and she had left with 30,600 rupees. So here see, out of 100, I'm just doing, salary is X, 15% is spent, remaining is 85%. Okay, out of this 10% was spent, remaining was 90%. Okay, so this is given as 30,600. If you see here, this is how many times? 5 17s are, 5 20s are. This is 5 18s are, this is 5 20s are. 17 18s are 306. 306 100 times. So X is equal to how much? You will get 40,000. So 40,000 is the answer. Next, 7 marks are awarded to right answer and 4 marks are penalty for wrong answers. Prabhat's score was 263. If he attempted 58 questions, find the if you attempted 58 questions, then find the number of correctly attempted questions. If all 58 questions, if he is making correct, if all 58 questions, if out of them X are correct, 58 minus X are wrong, let us say. So every correct answer will give him 7 marks and every wrong answering will deduct 4 marks. So 7x minus of this much. This is total whatever he received, 263. So 7x plus 4x, 11x. This 58 into 4, 232 goes that side, becomes plus 232. 11x is equal to 495. So x is equal to 45. X is equal to 45. Number of questions he attempted correctly is x, which we got as 45. Next, in a city, 68% of population is literate, in which the ratio of males to females is 11:6, and the ratio of illiterate male to female is 3:1. 3:1. Find the ratio. Find the ratio of literate male to illiterate female. So it is 17 parts. It is 4 parts. Okay. 68% of, see what is given in a city. 68% of literate are literates. Okay. Total 100. Total 100. Out of which literates and illiterates. Literates are 68. So illiterates are 32. And here 11:6. 17 parts is 68. 1 part is 4. So it is 44. It is 24. And illiterates are male to female 3:1. Male to female 3:1. So 4 parts 32, each part 8, 3 parts 24, 1 part 8. 3 parts, 4 parts 32, each part 8. So now find the ratio of literate female. Literate female, how much? 24. Literate female are 24. And illiterate female. Illiterate female are 8. 24:3. Which is 8 3s are 8 1s are. So answer is 3:1. 3:1. Next, ratio of length to breadth of a rectangle is 4:3. If the area of the rectangle would be 4x into 3x, length into breadth 108. So x square is 9, x is 3, thereby 12 comma 9 are the length and breadth. Then, and breadth of this rectangle is equal to breadth of this rectangle is equal to side of a square. Side of a square. So it is equal to side of a square. Then you require area of the square, 9 square, which is how much? 81. So answer is option D. Option D. Next one. A is 1.5 times as efficient as B. So the ratio of the efficiencies, A is 1.5 times, means if it is 2, it is 3. Okay. A is 1.5 times as efficient as that of B and C. As that of what? B and C. Please understand here. A is 1.5 times as efficient as that of B, and C takes half the time as compared to that of A. C takes half the time as compared to A means C's efficiency is double of A. Efficiency, see, time is half means efficiency double. So 6. If A and B takes how much? 2 by 5. 2 by 5 days to complete half of the work. To complete half of the work, they are taking 2 by 5 means how much? 12 by 5 days. Half of the work. So to complete the total work, A and B takes 2 by 5 days to complete half of the work. Then find the time they taken by A and C together. A and C together. So A and B takes how much time? 12.5 days for half work. So for full work, it is 24 by 5. 24 by 5 days. So A and B in one day can do 5. In 24 by 5 days, they can do 24 units of work. So the total work is 24 units. Okay. Now this 24 units is done by A and C together. A and C together capacity is 9. This 24 units is done by 9. It is done by both of them. 9 per day in how many days? So 3 3s are 3 8s are. So it is 3 2s are 6. 2 by 3. 2 by 3 days is the answer, which is option E. Next. 66 to 70 are based on table data interpretation. So the given table below shows number of cakes of 5 different types sold by a shopkeeper on 4 different days. 5 different types. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, 4 different days. Now what is the ratio of the number of cakes of types B sold by the shopkeeper on Saturday? B on Saturday, how much? 28. And Monday, Saturday and Monday, 28 plus how much it is? 60. 2. Number of cakes of type E. Type E on the same days. Type E on the same days are 38 plus 29. So 28 plus 60 is 88. 38 plus 29 is 67. 88 is to 67, which is the answer. What is the average number of cakes of type C sold by shopkeeper on Saturday, Sunday and Tuesday? So it is 35 plus 48 plus 55 divided by 3. So sum together is 138. 138 divided by 3 is 46. So answer is 46. Now next. Number of cakes of types D and E together on Tuesday is how much? 44 and 30. Is what percentage of number of types of A and B together on Sunday? A and B together on Sunday is 35 plus 65, 100. 44 plus 34 is what percentage of 100? So answer is 74%. Answer is 74%. Next. What is the difference between the total number of cakes of all the types sold by shopkeeper on Monday to all the cakes sold on Tuesday? So Monday total, Tuesday total. Monday total, if you add all together, 38 plus 60, 98 plus 40, 138 plus 24, 162 plus 29, 191. Minus here total Tuesday how much? 46, 54, 100, 199 plus 30, 199 plus 30, 229. So 229 minus 191 is equal to how much here? 38. 38 is the answer. Now next, the number of cakes of type F sold by the shopkeeper in the given 4 days is 25% more than the number of cakes sold of type D in all the given days. Type D on all the given days is how much? 50 plus 42, 92 plus 24, 116 plus 44 is 160. So 160 से 25% ज़्यादा, 160 का 20% 1/4, which is 40. So F it is 200. Okay. Now the question is find the number of cakes. Answer is 200. Answer is 200. Next. So this is what? Quantitative aptitude paper discussion for today. We will again meet in our next video. Thank you.